Hello everyone. Our today's topic is Malimath report. The content before you is a short note. In 2003, the Malimath committee looked at various ways to reform the criminal justice system in India. The committee was constituted under the chairmanship of Justice V. S. Malimath, former Chief Justice of Karnataka and Kerala High Courts, Chairman, Central Administrative Tribunal, and member of Human Rights Commission. The Committee on Reforms of Criminal Justice System in its report 2003 observed that there were no sentencing guidelines for the courts, and in some cases there was need of reformation of sentences. It observed and recommended as follows. First, reform in existing criminal justice system was very necessary. Second, some of the good features of inquisitorial system can be adopted to strengthen the adversarial system and to make it more effective. Third, for an effective criminal control and management, the investigation procedure and machinery needs a change and improvement. The fourth one, the IPC is as old as 1860, and with the passage of time, the society has changed drastically. The norms and belief also have had a transformation. The nature and gravity of crimes have changed. The punishments are inadequate. Thus, there is a need to have a new form of punishment, such as community service, disqualification from holding public offices, confiscation orders, imprisonment for life without commutation or remission, etc. Thus, the IPC needed a review and revision. The judge has discretion while giving judgment. IPC provides for maximum and minimum punishment in some cases, but not all. Thus, the judge has a wide discretion. There are no laws to regulate this discretion, which leads to variance in the matter of sentencing. The committee therefore recommended permanent statutory committee be constituted for prescribing sentence guidelines. Sixth one, the fine amounts need to be revised as the value of rupee has changed since the time they were provided by law. Seventh, the committee felt that imprisonment of pregnant women or women having a children less than 7 years of age is cruel and most unreasonable. Thus, criminals should be kept under house arrest. This is the right of unborn and young children. Eighth one, the committee said that law be more keen on settling the cases rather than preferring trials where the interest of society is not involved. Ninth one, the IPC has provision of giving sentence of imprisonment to defaulter of criminals who were to pay fine. Instead, the committee suggests punishments like community service, etc., for definite period of time. 10th point says that the committee recommends the implementation of 142 and 154 NPC report includes the plea bargaining. Malimath committee report deals with this area specifically and has suggested various methods to repair the judicial or justice system. The motive of report is to improve the criminal justice system. 12th point, the report has taken into consideration the plight of victims and therefore suggests such drastic shift in system. 13th point, The committee also recommends for establishing witness and victim protection programs in order to bring a more effective system through a victim centric approach. 14th point is the need for reclassification of offenses was necessary. It recommended 15 point and the last one is it recommended to abolish the death penalty unless and until not very necessary. So this was a short paragraph on Malamuth Committee, Malamuth report, sorry. And this is a short note about what actually is Malamuth report. So keep learning. Bye bye for now. See you.